Over the last decade, Australia's urban population has grown significantly. Capital cities like Sydney, Melbourne and Perth have seen substantial increases. Projections indicate that Australia's urban population will rise from 26 million in 2022 to 45.9 million by 2071. Managing this increasing urban density and the subsequent infrastructure demands is more critical than ever. Stoneset's permeable paving solutions provide a revolutionary way to handle stormwater and mitigate the urban heat island effect. Our permeable paving allows water to infiltrate the surface, reducing runoff and promoting natural groundwater recharge. Stoneset's products offer versatile applications for all surfaces, providing sustainable paving solutions for governments, developers, town planners, contractors and residential homeowners. From driveways and footpaths to car parks and pool surrounds, our permeable paving options ensure environmentally friendly development and effective stormwater management across various projects. Join the future of urban living with Stoneset, enhancing sustainability, aesthetics and property value. Choose Stoneset for a greener tomorrow.